And data shows about 1 in 10 Oklahoma teenagers have experienced some form of dating violence in the past few years. So the Department of Health is working to make sure people recognize the signs. News on 6's Autumn Bracey is live with why experts say teenagers are more vulnerable to unhealthy relationships. Autumn?
Good morning, Tess. Well, state health leaders say that dating violence can look different based on each relationship, but still it's important to know all of the signs. OSDH says dating violence is a pattern of coercive, intimidating, or manipulative behaviors used to control former or current partners. Emily Nichols is a prevention coordinator with the state health department who works to teach people about dating violence. She says teens are vulnerable because they haven't had as much dating experience, and Nichols says it's important to recognize possible dating violence before it escalates.
Sometimes our emotions might get the best of us. And so things like jealousy might be normal for somebody to experience in a relationship. But it's important that we remember, like, hey, this is something we can talk about and address in our relationships, as opposed to saying things like, you really shouldn't be talking to anybody else. And then kind of moving into some of those more abusive behaviors that might include like restricting somebody's ability to communicate with other people.
Now, talking with family and friends, creating safe spaces and healthy skills are what's suggested to prevent dating violence. Live in Tulsa, Autumn Bracey, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.